Next up, extreme heat is increasingly becoming an economic risk, not just a health threat. Now, around the world, workers, businesses, and households are facing income losses and disruption as heat waves, floods, and wildfires become more frequent. This is driving interest in climate and parametric insurance, where payouts are triggered when predefined weather threshold is breached. In South Korea, this model is being used for daily construction workers. If extreme heat forces work to stop, workers can receive compensation for lost wages. So, when the weather crosses a defined threshold, the payout is triggered automatically. India is also experimenting with this model, particularly for informal workers who have limited financial protection. The country has an estimated 400 to 500 million informal workers, many of whom work outdoors or in poorly ventilated conditions. In Delhi, a pilot program has offered heat-linked payouts of 100 to 500 rupees depending on how high temperatures rise, with total payouts capped at 2,000 rupees over the coverage period. The trigger is the temperature itself rather than proof of actual income loss. In 2024, around 2,000 women construction workers and street vendors in Ahmedabad received 750 rupees each through a similar program after extreme heat triggered the policy. The appeal for parametric insurance is speed. There is no lengthy damage assessment, and payouts can reach vulnerable workers quickly after a predefined trigger is met. But the model also has limits. A weather station may record a temperature below the policy threshold even when workers experience dangerous heat locally, or a payout may not fully compensate for actual income losses. Globally, the protection gap remains large. In 2025, insurance covered only about 49% of economic losses from the catastrophic weather events. In Europe, only about a quarter of climate-related catastrophe losses were between 1980 and 2024 were insured. As climate risks intensify, experts say that parametric insurance can provide quick financial relief, but governments, insurers, and businesses will need broader measures to close the growing climate risk protection.